Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to solve our questions of write a Java program to print mirror reverse triangle pattern. How to solve this problem? To solving this problem, if you remember my previous program that is a reverse triangle pattern, then you can easily to understand what we are doing here. If you're not, let me go to the reverse triangle programs and run it. You will getting the reverse triangle pattern. See, we will getting here in this programs what we have a condition is I is equal to and it will be starting from the 5 then 4 then 2 then 3 to printing the star. But in the mirror it will be printing the first you have to in this place you have to print the space, then you have to print the star like this. Solving this approach, you need a first we need a outer for loop over here. That is a for int I to printing the first I is equal to and over here I should greater than is equal to I and I minus minus. Sorry, here it's not a semicolon here. But before we need this for loop, you need a main method control X. Main method. Inside of main method, you need a int n is equal to let's take 5, whatever you want to take. And this is the for loop here, which is starting from the n, which is n is equal to 5. Then I is then the second condition is I should greater than is equal to sorry 1. Uh, sorry, yeah, 1. 1 second, guys. Yeah, here. See, I is greater than is equal to so 1. Make sure. So this condition is when the first iterations what we have I is equal to n. So n we have a 5 and the 5 is greater than is equal to 1. The condition is satisfied. When this condition is satisfied, you need a one inner loop over here which represent to space, which is printing the space. Okay. So for loop int j is equal to 1, j should less than is equal to n, j plus plus. What you have to do is out print a space over here and make sure it is a print statement. So in the place of first this much here now you have to print the space. Same here you have to print the space, then space, then space here, then space here. After this you have to printing the star. For that need a one more for loop which represent the star. So let's take for int k is equal to 1, k should less than equal to I and k plus plus. This out, what you have to do, you have to print this star. You can see here is k is less than equal to I is the condition. Just like same here, j is less than equal to n. You have to print the space. Here you have to print the star. In the after this space is printed, you have to print the star over here. Let me run this program. Before that, you need a next line. This out. After this for loop, you have to need to print the next line. So we move to the next line of the iterations. Okay. As you can see here. Okay. Because see, we will not getting actual what we want because here we will using the uh, printf statement, you have to use a print statement here. Run it again and see. You will get the mirror star pattern. So it is not a actual mirror reverse triangle. Why? Because every time one space is removed. So as you can see here, here you have a four space, then three, then two, then one, like that. For that, in the condition of is j is equal to one, j is less than equal to n minus I minus I. So it will be like the when you have let's suppose we have a five, the I we have a one, five minus one, four. Four space you have to print here. Then three, then two, then one. Run it again. See, we will get in the actual mirror triangle, reverse triangle pattern or mirror reverse triangle pattern. This is the way of you can solve this problem. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching Coding Pins. Just like taking small pieces of knowledge every day